Hey everybody, welcome back to Moving Matt. We do vlogs, travel, and some camera stuff. And today is Camera Wars, the show where we give you the latest camera news and let you know just how the battle is heating up. First up, according to Simon at The Ordinary Filmmaker, who did all the hard work of sifting through the articles, it looks like Panasonic is about to do a major restructuring of their management. They say that they want to focus more on the video side of things. Now, I did reach out to my imaginary source, and they responded by saying, there's been a lot of disagreement on the direction of our cameras, especially when it comes to our autofocusing system. Perfect, we all know that's been a huge issue for them. They continue by saying, it seems some of our employees do not see the genius in our contrast-based autofocus and want it changed. They have since been let go for their insolence. Speaking of cleaning house, Sony has become one of the most eco-friendly camera companies by using leftover parts from the A7 III to create the A7C. If that wasn't already hipster enough, they decided to make it more minimalist and still charge an $1,800 premium. If you'd like to see a full breakdown of the specs, you can find it here at B&H. Oh, wait, no, that's not the right one. Look, I'm confused at why this camera even exists. But speaking of having a confused existence, the GoPro Hero 9 has been released. It sports some notable upgrades such as 5K, a 20 megapixel sensor for stills, dual color screens for vloggers, and the new Hyper Smooth 3.0. Will I be buying this camera? Well, probably no, considering I have the GoPro Hero 6 and I barely even use it. But I say probably because damn, they make these promos seem good. The guy's snowboarding, the biker going down the hill, and the bike is falling. But I've realized something about those promos. I don't really want the camera. I just want to be that cool. I want to be doing all those adventurous things, but I just don't. But talking about trying to be cool and it not working, it looks like you won't be filming any of your TikTok videos on the GoPro Hero 9. Just as I was failing to figure out TikTok, it looks like Trump's ban may actually happen. As of Sunday, you will no longer be able to download the app and it will no longer be receiving updates. And if some agreement isn't reached by November 12th, it looks like it will be gone altogether. If you're unfamiliar with the history and reasons for the ban, let me explain it in terms that the target demographic can understand. Trump's like, that out-of-town TikTok guy can't come to my parties anymore. He was creepy and I saw him searching for my closet saying he was going to the bathroom. Besides, I think he got everybody sick and my grandparents had to go to the hospital. But then the other peeps that come to the party were like, but TikTok is like the only one old enough to bring alcohol to the party, so what are we gonna do? He has to come. Then Trump was like, Microsoft has a lot of money and he's always trying to come to the parties. We will have him like pay a whole lot of money and buy the alcohol from TikTok. But TikTok was like, no, I'm getting into that closet. I mean, coming to those parties. And then Oracle, one of Trump's really good friends who had done him a lot of favors lately, kind of like taking his tests and stuff, said, look Trump, let TikTok come. I know he's creepy, but I'll watch over him, make sure he doesn't snoop around. But Trump was still like, no, he still can't come to my parties. At least not this one. I'll have another one November 12th and we'll see if he's invited then. For now, we'll just have Instagram Reels bring his bad made-at-home alcohol. He's still super creepy, but at least he's our creep. Oh, I can't believe that just happened. But until next time, that is the current state of the camera wars. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And until next time, peace.